Trey, what are we doing today?
Walking on the lake. Last summer, we were right here floating.
Today?
Floating on paddle boards.
You're still floating.
Now we are cramponing on the ice. It's really beautiful. Oh, it's thick. You can see the bubbles. It's so thick.
It's been cold.
It's gotta be like 8 or 10 inches thick. So if you listen real quiet, you can hear ice cracking, and it makes real spooky noises.
Or do you just hear the wind?
You tell me.
I don't know.
Do you hear it? It's the song of winter.
Shh. Okay.
Can't get up.
We're gonna pull you up. Don't ruin your angel.
I am so short. I look really short when I get up from looking at my angel.
Oh my God. Come on.
Oh my God, that's... See where it is on my pole? That's how thick the ice is.
Huh. We're on some thick ice today.
Yeah. Better than thin ice, buddy boy.
What a dumb joke.
What?
What a dumb joke.
You're treading on thin ice there, buddy boy. Your dad used to say that to you?
Probably. I'm sure he did.
Mine did.